Hi everyone, here we've got CUBOT X18 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. Now let's find the build number, which is right here, and all you have to do right now is simply keep tapping on it until you will see the info that you're in a developer mode. As you can see, in my case there's no need because I am already a developer. I've activated this option before, so let's get back, and you can find the developer options in the system section right, let's say above the About Phone. So let's tap on it and they will be turned on, so all of them will be activated. And as you can see, we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can change window animation scale, we can show surface updates, show a visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options for example connected to the USB. Here we've got the demo mode also, so plenty of options to customize, to turn on or off. And in order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Obviously, you can turn it off the same way just by tapping on the switcher. If you can see the options without the switcher, for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it and you will see the window with much more advanced settings. So if you are done with customization of developer options, all you have to do is simply turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, and as you can see, mostly all of those options are inactive. After getting back, probably the developer options will disappear from this list, but no worries, of course you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. If they won't disappear, just like in my case, just tap on it again and tap on turn on. So actually that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your CUBOT X18. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.